And an unprecedented move to kind of like when everything hit the fan, right? You know, so the war's coming to an end. Hitler's eating the suicide pill and shot himself in the face. That's the thing I remember most about Wolfenstein, by the way. You have to fight Hitler in the end. Spoiler alert for a game that's like 30, 40 years old. He's in a
captain. His first name was not Captain Jack Lee, though that would be really cool.
I still will refer to him henceforth as Captain Jack. And Lee was down. He was like, okay, let's do this. And he offered to lead a rescue mission. Very daring rescue mission to the impenetrable Castle Eta.
Yeah, so this is strange. The Americans, as you said, Noel, they go with this Wehrmacht major and they park their tank close to the castle.
Person like you know, hello, hi baby kind of thing, you know, it's directed right to you, so you feel as though you are a participant in what's going on.
Can you do something for me? I'm wanting you to get undressed for me.
It's not how fucking certain lanes work.
Well, you're